custom manufactured for customer requirements. Precision stainless steel. Component AISI 300-121CR18NI9T. Quality inspection is strictly controlled, with dedicated inspection procedures carried out by our professional quality team to ensure consistent performance and dimensional accuracy. Designed with a controlled handle mechanism, the handle cannot loosen or rotate freely. Rotation is only possible through intentional manual operation, ensuring safety and stability in use. Rotation only by manual operation. Individual packaging for industrial use. Industrial standard delivery, built for precision applications, ensuring safe and stable performance. Mirror polish surface finish.